Hello guys, and welcome to another Zimaleta. We have, in the last video, we basically straightened everything out. Everything matches: the hood, the fenders, the bumper. We could have installed the lights, but we didn't. My next thing is go ahead and install the AC condenser, the radiator, all the sensors and whatnot where they need to be plugged in, that kind of thing. So that's what I'm doing. Begin with the hood latch. This is the one that was actually on it, and it's quite a bit stuck. Yeah, there you go. That's kind of a good way. So now I gotta go ahead and pull this piece out. It is somewhat okay. So now the easy part: slide it from underneath. This thing's so damaged. Okay, and now here's another one. So we're gonna go underneath there like so. Get it latched, and that's it. Basically now we need to install it here like that. I do need kind of like an extension for that one. Before I get things too tight, I want to see where's this landing. So yeah, it's not bad. So let's see if we could actually lock it. So I did latch. So let's see if I could unlatch it. Possibly did not work. No, it did work. So everything's good here. Okay, now that felt a little bit more convincing. Okay, so that's working. Okay. Now that it latches, it appears to me that the hood is going a little higher than it's supposed to be on this side. It's good on this side. It can also be the fact that that piece is a little low. That piece. Yeah. It's a lot better now. Yep, so things are looking good. They're looking good here. They're looking good here. I mean, we're pretty much ready for assembly. You unlocked it, huh? You actually know how to do it.
The hood. And
so this was the damage part.
Yeah, it's from this Nissan Rogue.
Yeah. So now we gotta add this. now the radiator pipe is back where it needs to be. The 2010 is a little easier to work on. One last thing to install is there is no AC cooler, which is nice. Right, we have our AC condenser, and it goes like this, with this going on the right side. It installs from the inside, and it's got its own places where it goes to, right there. What else is holding it? Jeez, there's so many attachments just for that one piece. Okay, it's not as bad as I thought. So now it's a matter of putting everything back together. Some stuff is not lining up, like the bolt pattern. So I gotta loosen this up. Maybe not so fast. I'm gonna have the same issue installing the radiator. I straightened this out somewhat. Now we just need to kind of like lift this area a little bit more, but I do need to grab this and pull it a little bit this way so that we could get this straightened out. And I'm going to take it back and hook it up to my homemade frame machine. Guys, I'm at my homemade frame machine. Basically I got 3 trees growing just in the right places. So this is where we're at right now. We need to move it some that way. We also need to raise it some. So I have a different plan for that. I'm gonna be using a tree for that. That's almost straight, but we also need to be pulling on this side. Pull this some, then release the pressure on that other one. Pull another one, And I don't know what's going on here. I just want to make sure. So this is not straight yet. I could tell there's definitely about a quarter, and this is a quarter off. So is that. So let's see. And I think I would actually see that go in the center. So that's the idea. If I could get that in the center, I'm gonna be happy. So, gosh. Now I wanna retension things. All right, it's looking better. This hasn't really moved any. That's almost where it needs to be, except we do need to go up some. So this is about 4,000 pounds of pressure of straps. It's not exactly how much pressure being applied, but it's how much pressure it can hold. So with this, I could already tell. If I straighten out the radiator, I could already tell like that's gonna work. This just needs to go up. Okay. I do think I should adjust this a little differently. Like that. So I have a little bit more room to be doing a tug of war here. I thought today was going to be a simple day, but a little bit more work than I thought I was going to have. I do believe it is going up. I do need to release this tension. And start all over again. It is working. It's pulling on it. So that's a good thing. It's looking a whole lot better. This is still at an angle. This technically needs to go in some. It doesn't really matter though, as long as I get the thing locked in. But we're definitely getting somewhere. It is a good sign. Alright guys, brought this piece. This is how it goes here. So we're gonna just put it up. So now the radiator does snap in. And it is kind of in the middle. So it's not bad. You know, things are looking a lot better. So guys, it is time for the lights. We got two lights right here, brand new ones. So let's see if they fit. I do have all the bulbs in place. What is that? So I got all the bulbs plugged in. This plastic is just making things complicated. So I have some some screws. Let's see. I'm just gonna lightly put them in. I'm gonna put that one in. Okay. So we need a nut for that one. So we just need one more down there. So it seems like just looking good right now. Time to do this one. Right. Да. They're working, guess.
Oh yeah. It's really mean.
Okay, let me sneak by you.
I didn't test that. It's kind of weird.
Can you hold that side? Put pressure on it. Yeah, looking good.
Looking good.
So now we gotta put some plastic tabs inside. It's gonna be good.
I'll get to the passage.
Давай, get in, good boys.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprint or Expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.